Here we are with a unboxing and first impressions of the JBL Soundgear Frames. As you can see, there's a box just there. Just come out by JBL as well. It's the first time they've done sunglasses, so very, very excited to be reviewing them. Nice packaging as always. Let's take a look and open up the box. Now, these come in three different colors as well. So we've got the onyx color here as well. And there's a case, lovely designer kind of case as well. Gives a kind of a luxury feel towards it. Let me just move the boxes out of the side there and take it out. Now, there are the glasses just there. Now, don't they look so nice? And look how shiny they are. Now, these are IP54 certified water resistant, so a little bit of rain won't hurt you. This is onyx again. They also come in pearl and amber, so you can do it depending on the style that you want. And there they're opening them up. Now, I've also got UV AB blocking as well for sunglasses, and these are frame S. Now, you can also put prescription lenses in them as well. They come with 8 hours of playtime, and 10 minutes of charge gives you another 2 hours of battery life, which I think is really good. Now, there's the speakers just there. Now, they use two 25mm by 9mm high amplitude rectangular speakers, and they have a 3-layer diaphragm in them. So it basically has a special algorithm for bass enhancement and a frequency division processing, which is really good. So they're open ears. So basically, they sit there on your ears, and you can listen to them when you're using them. So you can hear stuff out and about around you. They sound really, really good. There is a slight amount of noise leakage with them, but nothing too much to be worried about. If you go to a very, very busy area, I found it was a little bit difficult to hear the music. But if you cupped your hand over your ears, you could hear them fine. Now, you press the JBL logo to change tracks, put on noise cancelling, turn it off, change so you could control it all through that. And you also have the JBL app you can use as well. Now, they also have two mic arrays on the temple. So this has dual mode environmental noise cancellation. It also has non-linear echo suppression, so it ensures you always have a high quality conversation when you're using them. It also stops distortion from air friction as well, which I think is really nice too. Now, when you close them as well, it turns off the power, which is good. They have USB-C charging as well. So USB-C charging you can use to charge them. As you can see, I'm looking through them just there and see the tinting means that the brightness is significantly cut down, meaning you can see what's going on around you, which I think's really, really good. They feel really sturdy, have a great design. They're not going to break it all too, so they're not cheap glass as well. The finish is kind of plastic, but it's a strong plastic, without being too heavy. Let's take a look at the box as well. A bit difficult to get that off there, but in the box you have your instruction guide, how to set it up, and a bit more about the warranty information too. They're very, very nice. Yeah, I mean, guys, I really enjoy these. And again, first entrance to JBL for sunglasses. They've done a very, very good job. Now, there's the quick start guide, a bit more about the how it comes. Comes with warranty as always with JBL products. But again, there's the JBL Soundgear Frames, a good pair of headphones. And check out our links as well if you want to see how we've actually used these out and about using them. But use them in the park, the beach, everywhere else, and they've come up perfectly. A really great pair of sunglasses, the JBL Soundgear